channel and you're good Jacob, but we are brand new video. So today I'm gonna use the Freeman Japanese Matcha Green Tea Detoxifying Mask. It's super antioxidant to help repair and protect skin. And you know I love Freeman, and this like the green tea one. So I'm so excited to use this. Yeah. Let's see what it is. So come a little thingy and it also supposed to get that, so and there you go. So I'm gonna put it on for 10 minutes. Let's see you in 10 minutes. Well, it's been 10 minutes. Now the rest of it, so we'll start with warm water. So okay, so that my skin look. It feels really good. I'm gonna lie, it feels so good. It feels moisturized. I don't go in with my skincare routine, but I do like the final review and how I feel about it. So see you soon. Okay guys, so I'm doing my final thoughts on the Freeman Japanese Matcha Cream Matte Detoxifying. Honestly, I love it. Like I said, boost your skincare routine with the dots and cream matte. It helps repair and protect fight against impurities. They're important for people with oily to normal skin type, and let me tell you, the only problem I don't like about it is it's so small. There, they say you get 3 to 4 use. I only use it one time. It says a lot in here, but 3 to 4 use. Freeman, I need you to get this a little bigger for me. I want this like, and you know, I don't have it on me, but you know, like the one that you open it, the container, open it and squeeze it in, and then like put on your face. I like that. So Freeman, put this in the like, you know, like the black shrub and charcoal face mask. Put it in one of those containers. So, but I truly love it. Like this stuff made my skin feel really hydrated. Even though they detoxed it, it like, you know, it stripped it, but it also made it moist. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was so moisturized. I never had a cream mask, so cream mask, I like it better. I honestly like it. Will I buy again? Of course. It's Freeman. I love Freeman. I live and breathe Freeman. Freeman! Just send me a year supply of your product. Like, put me on your PR list or something. Like, I love Freeman Beauty. Freeman Beauty is life. But that's really all I have to say about it. That's amazing. I just want it in a bigger container. This is a bigger container. It'll be good. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.